Hey everyone, if you are a content creator, educator, or just someone who has got digital stuff to share, listen up because this is for you. Let me introduce you all to dl.surf. dl.surf is a cloud storage and content monetization platform where you can easily upload, share, and earn from your digital content. And the best part is, you start earning from your very first upload. But why choose dl.surf? dl.surf provides you 1 TB of free storage to monetize your content and pays you weekly through different options like PayPal, Paytm, UPI, eSeva, and many more. dl.surf has two simple modes: publish mode, where you can upload and manage your content, and explore mode, where you can browse what others are sharing. So, if you are looking for a better way to share, store, upload, and earn from your digital content, you can check out dl.surf.